On the fateful night between 6th and 7th May, when Pakistan's sovereignty was challenged by the aggressor, PF upheld the legacy of fighting outnumbered and shot down the enemy's most modern and capable aircraft, including multiple Rafale jets, Su-30M किया है, Mirage 2000, MiG-29, unmanned aerial system with multiple solid evidence and electronic signatures. This fierce aerial engagement is being regarded as one of the most intense and longest BVR versus BVR battles of modern aerial history, leaving the enemy skies silent for remaining part of the conflict. We also responded to their preemption on 10th May with Pak Army with a paralyzing punch and struck their bases and ground assault deep into the enemy territory from north to south. Besides neutralizing state-of-the-art defense system, S-400 and command and control centers. Without any doubt, Pakistan Air Force could have gone further, but we inherit a mature strategic culture.